You work hard, you grow. You finally reach a leadership position. And then one day, you realize something feels different. Not better, just quieter. Hi, I'm Parul Sood, and in this video, we are going to talk about something no one prepares you when you become a leader. The loneliness that comes with it. The shift no one warns you about. When you were a part of the team, you had people to vent to laugh with, to complain about work. But this moment, you become a leader. But the moment you become a leader, that changes. Now you can share everything. You can't be fully unfiltered. You have to be more careful with your words. And slowly, you start holding things in. So, what happens? It's the promotion that changes everything. A young manager gets promoted within the same team. Yesterday, he was a part of after work conversations, jokes, complaints. And today, he walks into the same room and the energy shifts. Conversations stop. People become formal. No one says anything, but something feels distant. That's the moment he realizes he didn't just gain a title, he lost a space where he could just be himself. So, why leadership feels lonely? Leadership creates distance not because people don't like you, but because your role changes. You now carry responsibility, confidential information, tough decisions, and sometimes you cannot share your doubts with your team because they look to you for clarity. And here's story number 2, the decision you cannot share. Imagine this, you know layoffs are coming or major changes about to happen. The team is laughing, working, planning ahead, and you are sitting there knowing something they don't. You cannot tell them. You can't process it with them. So you carry it alone. That's a different kind of pressure. The emotional reality. Loneliness in leadership is not about being alone physically, it's about not having a safe space to be vulnerable. Always being the strongest one, feeling like you have all the answers, even when you don't. And over time, it can become exhausting. Let's hear another story, the strong leader myth. A leader I know was always composed, confident, and clear. But behind the scenes, she constantly questioned herself. She had no one in her immediate team she could openly talk to. So she found support outside mentors, peers, people at the same level. And that changed everything. So the question is, what smart leaders do about it? Great leaders do not ignore this loneliness, they manage it intentionally. They build peer networks, people at the same level. Find mentors they can be honest to. Create safe place outside their team and accept that some distance is a part of the role. Because leadership is not about being isolated, it is about being intentional with connection. So, if you have ever felt this, like you cannot say everything you are thinking, like you have to carry more than others, you are not doing leadership wrong. You are experiencing a part of leadership no one talks about. If this resonated with you, do not keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who might be feeling the same. And if you want more real, practical insights on leadership, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.